When it comes to boosting your home's curb appeal in Plymouth, many homeowners focus on landscaping, paint colors, or new front doors. However, one of the most overlooked yet essential upgrades is professional gutter installation. A well-designed and properly installed gutter system not only protects your home from water damage but also adds to its visual appeal and value. Why gutters matter for curb appeal and home protection. Plymouth's weather can be unpredictable, from heavy rainstorms to melting snow, which makes effective water management around your home a top priority. Gutters play a crucial role in directing rainwater away from your home's roof, siding, and foundation. Without a functional gutter system, rainwater can seep into your home's structure, leading to mold growth, wood rot, foundation damage, and costly repairs. A clean, seamless gutter system ensures that water flows efficiently off your roof and away from your home's base. This protects your landscaping, prevents erosion, and stops unsightly water stains from forming on your exterior walls. Beyond functionality, gutters can also add a touch of elegance and definition to your home's roofline, enhancing its overall aesthetic appeal. The benefits of expert gutter installation. While it might be tempting to install gutters yourself, hiring a professional gutter installation company in Plymouth ensures long-lasting results and saves you from potential headaches. Here's why expert installation is worth the investment. Precision and custom fit. Every home is unique, and so are its gutter requirements. Professional installers take precise measurements and tailor the system to your home's architecture. This ensures proper alignment, optimal water flow, and an overall cleaner look. Quality materials. Experienced installers use top-quality materials that resist rust, corrosion, and wear. Whether you choose aluminum, copper, or seamless gutters, professionals can recommend the best option for Plymouth's coastal climate, which can include salty air and frequent rain. Seamless gutters. For a sleek look, seamless gutters are a popular choice among homeowners looking to elevate their curb appeal. Unlike traditional sectional gutters that have multiple joints and seams, seamless gutters are custom-made from a single piece of material, reducing leaks and creating a smooth, polished appearance. Proper drainage and slope. A gutter system is only as effective as its slope and downspout placement. Professionals ensure the correct pitch to direct water efficiently to the downspouts, preventing pooling on your roof or near your foundation, common culprits behind costly water damage. Added home value. Curb appeal and home value go hand in hand. A well-installed gutter system shows potential buyers that your property is well maintained and protected against the elements, which can make your home more attractive on the market. Choosing the right gutter installation partner in Plymouth. When selecting a Plymouth gutter installation expert, it's important to consider experience, materials, and customer reviews. Look for companies that offer customized solutions. Not every home is the same. Your installer should provide options that match your roofline, budget, and aesthetic preferences. High-quality products. Choose gutters made from durable materials like seamless aluminum or copper, which last longer and require less maintenance. Warranty and maintenance plans. Reputable companies stand behind their work with strong warranties and optional maintenance services to keep your gutters in top condition. Local expertise. Plymouth's coastal climate requires specific knowledge about moisture management. Local professionals understand the challenges of the region and can design systems to withstand New England's weather conditions. The finishing touch to your home's exterior. Enhancing your Plymouth home's curb appeal doesn't always mean major renovations. Sometimes, it's the details, like clean, efficient, and well-installed gutters, that make the biggest difference. Beyond keeping your home dry, new gutters add a crisp architectural line, improve your property's aesthetic, and provide peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. If you're ready to upgrade your home's appearance and safeguard it from water damage, consider partnering with an experienced gutter installation company in Plymouth. With professional expertise, high-quality materials, and careful craftsmanship, you'll enjoy a beautiful home exterior that stands strong through every season.